Welcome to today's class of mathematics of chapter 12, that is exponent and powers. Well, to begin with the lecture, let us first learn about exponent. Exponent is a number which represents the number of times a base is to be multiplied by itself. Exponent is also known as power. Here, let us take an example of a number with positive exponent to understand more about it. 10 raised to 24. Well, 10 raised to 24 is read as 10 raised to the power 24. And here 10 is known as base while 24 is exponent. Here 10 raised to 24 means 10 is to be multiplied 24 times in order to get the desired result. Next, we shall learn about a number with exponent 0 and 1. Well, if the number here is with a exponent 0, then the result of a number so obtained will always be 1. For example, a raised to 0 will be equals to 1. While if the number is with exponent 1, then the result of a number so obtained will be the number itself. For example, a raised to 1 will be equals to a. Further, we will learn about the numbers with negative exponent. Well, for the numbers with negative exponent, it is said that for any non-zero integer a raised to minus m will be equals to 1 upon a raised to m. Here, a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m, or say a raised to minus m is the reciprocal of a raised to m. Further, we shall learn about the laws of exponent. Well, here given below are few of the laws. Let us learn about them one by one. The first group involves exponents with the same bases. And here, when the bases are same but the exponents are different, we have following two possibilities. A raised to m into a raised to n gives us a raised to m plus n, where a is non-zero integer and m and n are integers. Also, a raised to m divided by a raised to n gives us a raised to m minus n, where a is a non-zero integer and m and n are integers. Now the second group, which involves exponent with different bases. Here, when the bases are different but the exponents are same, we have following two possibilities. The first one is a raised to m into b raised to m gives us a into b raised to m, whereas the second one is a raised to m divided by b raised to m, which gives us a upon b the whole raised to m. Here a and b are the two non-zero integers, whereas m is the integer. Now the third group involves the power of power. Here it says if a is a rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then a raised to m the whole raised to n gives us a raised to m n. Now let us learn about how to use exponents to express a number in standard form. Well, there are some large numbers and some small numbers which we need to express in standard form. And with the help of exponents, it becomes easy for us to do so. Here, when the decimal point moves toward the right, the exponent becomes negative. Whereas, when the decimal point moves towards the left, the exponent becomes positive. Well, to understand this, let us take the help of the following two examples. The first one is of 150 billions. Well, here, a very large number like 150 billion is given over here. Then we need to move the decimal points towards the left, and when we do so, the exponent will become positive. Well, here, as it is shown, the decimal is moved 11 places till it is placed between 1 and 5, and thus our standard form representation of the large number will be 1.5 into 10 raised to 11. Similarly, the another small number is 0.000007. Well, here we need to move the decimal point to the right in order to represent the number in its standard form. When we begin shifting to the right, the exponent will become negative. Here, in this case, the decimal is moved 6 places until it is placed after the digit 7. Therefore, a standard form representation will be 7 into 10 raised to minus 6. Well, I hope you are clear with the concepts. Thank you.